Oh, the FedEx man came on Sunday, a day early. Wow. Hey, welcome back. We got our carpeting. The FedEx man came. The original, and now we get to see how this is. Instructions. Okay, these are the tunnel pieces, I believe. That's a little extra stitching. They have the shifter hole already made. And the clearance for the gas pedal. Very nice. That is shaped a little bit differently. We'll see how that goes. Front piece, two sides. This is the main part for the back. That's the piece that covers the baggage area and the piece for the back seat. Two wheel wells. Those look a little different. Let's see what they have here. And the side pieces. All right. Let's do a little comparison now. This is all our original stuff from the car, and this is what they made for me. They already had the patterns for the tunnel covers. So they have one piece here. They put edging around it, which would be nice. I don't have to cut the hole. Got that. Got the front pieces here. They have edging all around them now. The factory did not. They just had the carpeting run long. That's nice. That goes there. Front piece. And sides. Same thing here, edging. It was only on one little piece from the factory here, and they have it surrounding everything. So. All right, looks good. Check the back. All right, here's everything for the rear. These obviously are not molded, so I have to get them to form, fit around. I'm going to try to peel off this factory insulation that's back here and reuse it. See how much I can get off, otherwise I'll go with something else. These follow the form nice. A little bit long, I guess I'll have to trim a little bit maybe. But same contour. Looks good. Have the main piece. Doesn't have the flap here, it just kind of goes around, so I'll have to just have that stop where it needs. And these are the pieces that other manufacturers weren't making. I'm gonna have to peel this off of this masonite and re-glue it. There's a piece of metal that goes in there, and that's sewn there, but we'll just re-glue that whole piece to get that flap to work. And the cardboard edging that's on this, they already sewed in like a plastic piece That'll fit in here, both sides. That's that piece. And the other piece that flaps around. There. Well, they made everything the way the factory had it. You'll notice there's nothing for the floors because this car had rubber mats originally, and that's the way my aunt wants to leave it. So this will look nice once it's installed, and that'll be a video for the next time. Thanks for watching. Look what I found in the trunk of a Cadillac. Elvis. One for the money, two for the show, three to get ready, and go, cat, go.